Rest your body, rest your head. Get comfy in your bed. Wild babies are fast asleep, so shh, don't make a peep. Sleep Tight Bush Baby is a collection of poems and illustrations that I made for my daughter when she was struggling to fall asleep. I wanted to show her that it's okay to fall asleep because all the other animals were sleeping too.
The day was packed with tumbling, biting, and learning how to roar. Now the only sound these cubs are making is a gentle, soothing snore.
I wanted to create a book where there was no action, no tension, no story with a beginning and an end, only calm images and sleepy rhymes. Your child needs to know that it's perfectly fine to fall asleep on any page with any of the animals. There's a lot of new vocabulary and the text is set in rhyme. You could point out where the wild babies sleep or what sounds they make, but it's best not to start a conversation at night. The point is to keep their minds calm. Reading in your mother tongue is crucial for brain development and building foundational vocabulary, and I wanted the Afrikaans and isiZulu versions to feel just as natural for parents to read.
Ubusuku buyabanda kugedlezela amazinyo. Amachwane awasinaki isimo sezulu, kodwa ayakudinga ukufudumala kwengubo. Izinsiba zikamama zinokuthokomala okuphezulu.
'n Jakkelsgat tot môre lê wel besonder sorge. Net buite in die donker nag is mamma aan die jag.
This book is designed to help you put your child to sleep, and after 3 years of feedback from parents who've had to read it countless times, I can give you my guarantee that someone will sleep, either your child or you.